Ituria kieha nio rigucuhite kiharo-ini giki gia St Joseph's gicigo-ini kia Mwingi ya gatagati guku igongona ria kuhoera mioyo ya ciana 10 cia cukuru wa muthingi wa St Gabriel's rigithie na mbere. Andu a nyumba arata o hamwe na atongoria matiganite magicakaya ciana ici iria ciakuire ire thabara-ini kuma icera mwena wa Mombasa. Amwe ao makiremwo ni kuhingiriria maithori ni kuhotwo ni kieha gia kurwo ni endwa ao. Gatagati ga ciuria nyingi umwe wa maundu maria andu aingi mekwiyuragia ni kana hi mutino uyu ni ungiagirireirio kuhanika.
I wish to reiterate the directive that our president gave us on Saturday, on 14th in Mombasa, that for the sake of our children, if darkness were to get us on our way, please let's seek accommodation in a nearest school that is there, be it public or private. We therefore direct our school managers to observe and enforce the 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. directive for the sake of our children.
Uhoro wegie waki uria urathie na mbere barabara-ini nene ya Mwingi guthie Garissa onaguo ukiariririo igongona-ini riri.
This contractor who is repairing this road Thika to Garissa, and he is heaping maram along the road and leaving that maram for days before being spread. What that maram is doing, it is narrowing the road.
Gavana wa Kitui Charity Ngilu akihinyiriria bata wa guthie na mbere kunyitirira family iria ihutitio ni ihura ria mutino uyu.
The leaders who have spoken here, those who have blamed the road, blamed the drivers, but I want to say for today, I want to apportion no blame to anybody, but we need to put things right. The pain is too much for the parents to be told who did not do what and who did what.
Guku family ici ikihariria guthika endwa ao mugwanja ao magitanyo guthikwo Jumamothi turorete ya tariki 11 na angi tariki 14. Minister wa githomo Amina Mohamed ni acakaite hamwe nao.
Through the ministry will provide 100,000 shillings for each of our angels to help with their funeral arrangements. And let me repeat what was said by an alumni. Those who lose a loved one gain an angel who then looks down from heaven on them.
Ni mutino urathimira iroto nyingi iria ciana ici ireharagiriria gukinyaniria matuko-ini mao ma thutha. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.